Welcome to Linux Help. Today we are going to see about how to install Monstra CMS on Linux Mint 20. Monstra is an open source, modern and lightweight CMS application that is easy to install, upgrade within a few steps. It contains various apps for plugins, themes and core development. It also supports several administrators, editors and users. This tutorial covers the installation of Monstra CMS on Linux Mint 20. First I am going to check the version of Linux Mint. My Linux Mint version is 20. Before I am going to install the Monstra CMS, I am going to install Apache service. Apache service is installed. Now I am going to start the Apache service. Now I am going to check the status of Apache 2 service. Apache status is active. Now I am going to install MariaDB server. The MariaDB service is installed. Now I am going to create a credential of MariaDB. Set new password. The credential is created. Now I am going to start the MariaDB service. Now I am going to check the status of MariaDB service. The status is active. Now I am going to install PHP and its modules. The PHP is installed. Now I am going to download the Monstra CMS package by using wget command. The package is downloaded. I am going to extract the package by using unzip command. Now I am going to move the Monstra dev CMS directory to Apache root directory. Now I am going to set the permission and ownership of Monstra directory. Now I am going to set the permission. Now I am going to configure virtual host for access Monstra CMS. Here I have to enter some lines to monstra.conf file. Quit and save the file. Now I'm going to disable the default site access. Now I'm going to enable the site access for Monstra CMS. Now I'm going to enable the rewrite model. Now restart the Apache service. Now switch your browser and search your host name. Here search your host name. This is the welcome page of Monstra CMS. Click continue. Here enter the credential of admin. Click install. This is the welcome page of Monstra CMS. Click login. Here enter the admin credentials. This is the dashboard of Monstra CMS. This is the method how to install Monstra CMS on Linux Mint 20. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, and also to watch more tutorial, please visit our website www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com. Thank you.